Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stopping the server and taking a full backup so you can restore if the update breaks. Once backups are complete, export your mod list and note the Modpack version and any custom patches you applied. This prevents surprises later. You should also snapshot server configs and the world folder. Make sure to validate free disk space and record your start command. These initial steps protect your players and let you test updates without risking live data. Next, update the pack files. Install the new server jar and replace the mod folder with the updated set from the Modpack release. You should compare mod versions for compatibility. Once done, merge any custom config changes into the new configs rather than overriding blindly. Restart the server in a test instance to build caches and confirm startup. Make sure to update JVM flags and memory allocation if the new pack has higher requirements, and document every change for rollback. Finally, you must thoroughly test the updated server. Invite a few players, run stress checks, and monitor console logs for errors. Once done, deploy to production during low traffic hours and watch for plugin or mod conflicts. If the server crashes, inspect the latest crash reports, isolate the offending mod, and either remove it or roll back to the backup. Make sure to communicate status with players and schedule follow-up patches. This prevents surprises and keeps the community informed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.